Today is the day. Going under the knife. Okay. Watch it not start. Good enough for me? Here it is outside. It looks a lot better when it's clean, I'll tell you that. Much better. Yeah, it's filthy. Check this out, look, see? That's what it's supposed to look like. So I'm in drive. Okay. Now I'm going. That's what it does. You gotta give it just a little bit of gas or it won't go into gear. So I'm gonna fix that. Let's see if it'll go back in reverse. Neutral, reverse. Okay, so it went in reverse. You can hear the noise. Neutral, drive. Okay. It's about 85 degrees right now. Scorching hot. We're about to tear this thing apart.
Good morning, everybody.
So what I've done, taken out those rear bolts, and I loosened up a few around the side, and then it started to leak. So then I just went ahead and took all the ones at the back out, and then left the ones on the front and the sides, and I just kind of wiggled the bottom of the pan where it meets the actual transmission. I just kind of wiggled it loose a little bit, and now it's just leaking out. So I'm going to let it leak for a good while. What I like to do is take these caps and just put them back and just tighten them by hand. That way I don't lose them, because I have lost these before. So what I get a habit of doing is once I get done taking these out, I'll just set them back on. That way I'll know where they are when I go to put the drive shaft back in. Oh no, don't mind me just having to dig my way to my bolts here. No big deal, just having to excavate. That's what you get when you buy a dinosaur. This is terrible. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this? I've actually got most of it already. This is fun. Fun stuff. All the ones all the way around it.
Yeah, there's one. Oh, okay. But they're a lot smaller than I expected.
Oh.
They're like half inch.
I think they're that. Yeah, something like that. They may be 9/16 though. Yeah, you can get it from here. You can get at least one if you can actually stick your arm up in there. Yeah, we probably reach them from up here.
Alright, you ready to start taking these out?
Give me-
Not the right size. So
Not the right. Yes. Was it too big or too small?
Just right.
Just right? Okay, that's good. Fortunately, that exhaust pipe goes perfectly out of the way.
Yeah, do you have a small one? Oh.
Shout. Oh, that was terrible.
You want me to use the gauge right here?
Oh, okay, I'll get back. I think
Did you?
I don't think I did break it loose. I think it just spun off the bolt. Oh no! Oh, I see it. I see it.
Don't knock it down.
I see it. I see it. That's terrible. Oh, good. Good. We made a big mess. We have at least 3 bell housing bolts out, right? So that's good. Oh, there it went. Ah, the sludge is free. How's this gonna come out of here? Ow. I don't think that's the correct way to go, but I'm gonna go. Oh no! I was get showered. Ah! This thing weighs like 70 pounds. Oh my gosh! Ah! It's so heavy. That is awful. Oh yeah, there it went. Easy peasy. Oh gosh. I don't know if I did it. That hurt.
There you go.
You just keep on chucking. Oh. That's good right there. You see a piece of wood over there?
Do what?
Grab that piece of wood behind you. After you get done flashing the light.
But how'd you know it was me?
I couldn't guess. That was a tough guess. All right, back it up. That's good. I think, yeah. Perfect. Keep on trucking. Yep, keep on. Oh, got a creep. Oh, all right. I think that'll be safe, don't you think?
It'll be safe until we die.
Until we die. That's a good way to put it. Get the stance.
If I should break the whole exhaust off.
Oh, he did it! He did it! Thank goodness. It sounded terrible. It sounded like a leg breaking in half.